ইমান ৰাজনীতি মই জীৱনত দেখা নাছিলোঁ। 3 মাহৰ ভিতৰত আমি চাৰ্জশ্বিট দিলোঁ, এটা বেটা আজিলৈকে জামিন পাব পৰা নাই। আমাকতো ক্ৰেডিট দিব লাগিছিলে। এতিয়া ষড়যন্ত্ৰ আৰম্ভ হৈছে এইগৰাকী জাজৰ পৰা কেছটো লৈ যাব। This is politics. If you like Assamese, you would have gone to Bhupen Hazarika, you would have gone to Martyr Scholar, you would have gone to Jubin, you would have gone to Mahapurush Srimanta Sankardev Abirbhav Khetra. And if you would have love and respect Jubin, you would have come only for that. So our Prime Minister, Home Minister doesn't do that. You are coming for a different purpose and then you are going there. Your sole purpose should be visiting. Like people must remember that it is Amit Shah and Narendra Modi ji ne Shahid Smarak